She was the strongest girl I knew from what I could see. All the bad that came her way, she got through it all in my eyes. All the good that came her way, she shared it with strangers every day. Every time I saw her, she always had the biggest and brightest smile on her face. I don't think I've ever seen her cry or screamed at the world before. So why is it that on that day, that she decided to take her own life? Chloe. She never asked for help from anyone. She was always giving and never taking anything in return. She had the brightest eyes and most amazing personality. She probably doesn't remember meeting me, but I've always adored her and wished I could be like her. The light, her energy, that smile, they all give me a reason to believe I could be a better person as well. But all I ever did was watched her from a distance. I wish I could have been the one to see through it all. I wished with all my heart I was the one to see her pain, hear her cries, and reached out to her. Instead, all I saw was her mask, her cover. I regret not going up to her that day when she was alone, watching the world pass by her. I, too, walked by her without a thought in the world that she could have been waiting on someone to notice her, to save her, to give her the acknowledgement as a human being. No one really understands events like this in life. The happiest people could be the saddest people on earth. Even at their lowest, they're always giving whatever they have left until they have nothing. And when they have nothing left to give, they give away the last thing they hold on to. Life. Even though she wasn't the pretty girl everyone would care about, she definitely showed true beauty when she was alive. And maybe somewhere deep down, I had envied her. Today, she's gone. No one will ever know why, because no one cared enough to even ask or tried. Everyone is just so full of themselves and taking what they can to save themselves, not caring about what could happen to the people they take from, steal from. Sometimes, I wonder how Chloe stayed so strong up until she left this world. Truth is, as she was dying inside and going through all the things that led her to take her own life, she probably didn't and never wished it upon anyone. Knowing how painful it was the strength to her everyday smile. Selfish people like you and I will never understand. Never take anyone for granted for as long as you live. Don't be afraid to do what's right. Maybe someday we could save a life or two.
But
You guys go ahead without me.
no, that's fine.
Hey, you're Chloe, right? I'm Janice. I noticed you've been sitting here for a while. Are you waiting on someone?
Do you know me?
No, but I know you're not invisible. Do you want to be friends?
Sure. Thank you. Nice to meet you, Janice.
No problem. Do you want to walk and talk?
I'd love to.
Okay, come on. you.